Next thing I'm going to go ahead and show you is specific to those users who are joining either through Intense Prep or through SurePass. So if you're joining through SurePass, you would click Live Lectures here. If you are joining from Intense Prep, you would go to Intense Prep Live and Tutor and then click Live Lectures here. So I'm going to show you under the SurePass view. So I click Live Lectures, and here are all the live lectures that are occurring, whether they're a live case study or whether they're a 3-hour content lecture. So I would want to go ahead and register for all of these lectures. When I do that, I'm going to get the Zoom link right here. So I can register for all of these. The Zoom link is there, and that's what's going to make the handout available to me as well. Then you can see all the lectures that you've registered for, ones that are upcoming and ones that have already happened, all within the dashboard. I wanted to take a moment to talk about live case studies and live content lectures to make sure that you are set up for success. The live case studies are going to be the lower priority of the two. These occur every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at varying times, and they're a 1-hour live case study lecture. These are really focused on clinical judgment. Then every Tuesday, Thursday, there's 3-hour live content lectures. They might be over things like fluid and electrolytes, the cardiovascular system. I really want you to prioritize attending these because it's going to help you be active and engaged through the content material.